Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok quality. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok quality, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.